Hey guys, so today I will be showing you my recent favorite hair growth mask, and also this is great for softening the hair as well. So if you all are interested, then let's get started. So the first ingredient I'm using is coconut milk because its molecules are excellent at penetrating the hair shaft, so it will strengthen your hair because of its high protein content. Plus, coconut milk promotes hair growth since it has all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair and boosting your hair follicles, thus promoting hair growth. And it also restores dry and damaged hair and is a wonderful conditioner for it as well. Furthermore, it is also great to use if you are experiencing dry and itchy scalp. So the next one that I'm using is Fenugreek seed powder. This helps in treating dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp, and is also a great remedy for hair loss because it is rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C, and are a strong house of minerals such as protein, calcium, and iron. Fenugreek seed powder also contains high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness, and hair thinning. It also contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots of your hair follicles. Plus, these fenugreek seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce. So what I will do is I will gradually add in the fenugreek powder in the coconut milk so that it will be easier to mix it in. It would also be great as well if you kind of warm up the coconut milk so that the fenugreek powder will smoothly blend with it. Also, I know that right now it looks watery, but later as you continue mixing it, it will turn into this porridge type of consistency because the fenugreek swells or it thickens up after. Okay, so now once you have this consistency, I will go ahead and use a strainer to separate the lumps or the grainy bits because you don't want this to get stuck on your hair. So what I'm after for here is this paste-like texture. So from here, I will add in castor oil. Now, this is the oil that I'm using because it is great for hair growth, but you can also use a lighter oil such as almond oil or avocado oil or even olive oil. You can use any oils of your choice. Now, the proportion is totally up to you guys. So as usual, for the application part, I will put this all over my scalp and hair, making sure that everything is fully coated. And once I'm done, I am going to go ahead and leave that on my hair for just 15 minutes max, and then that's it. I will wash it off using my shampoo. And now here's the finished result. Whenever I use this mask, I always feel like my scalp is hydrated and my hair feels a lot stronger. And I have also observed that whenever I use this on my hair actually looks extra straight and it's more manageable too. So if you think that your hair needs some major protein treatment, then this mask is ideal for you to use. And also, not only is this great for hair growth, but it is also great for strengthening your hair and treating dry and damaged hair. And it just has a lot of hair benefits to it, so it's definitely worth a try. So that is it, you guys. This hair mask is probably one of my favorite go-to hair masks that I'm using on my hair lately, just because all of the ingredients are very accessible to me. And one of the things that I really do like about this is that it has a perfect combination of just loading your hair with the just right amount of protein and at the same time moisturizing your hair and hydrating it as well. So this mask doesn't really have a tendency to dry out your hair, and also it has a lot of great hair benefits as well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, Please give this video a thumbs up, and once again, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!